Hello, Kin 473. My name is John Dermeyer, and I'm excited to be part of this class. Um, I am a kinesiology major, like most of you, and my career goals are to become an athletic trainer as well as um, a athletic director. So I'd like to get dual masters in athletic training and in education. I Some of my hobbies are going out on my boat. This past weekend, with my family, we saw over 100 Rizzo's dolphins out in the ocean off the coast of California, and they're really cool looking. You should look them up. Um, I also love hiking with my family and camping. Uh, I have two kids and my beautiful wife, so spending most of my time is spent with them and studying. So I'm also a massage therapist, and what I'd like to take away from this class is a little more skills in being able to increase my um, ability to evaluate um, people's physical fitness and how I can do that further. Um, all right, everybody, I'm looking forward to work with you and uh, have a great class. Thank you.